Hello guys, welcome back to Mr. Electron Rock channel. In this video we are continuing with Arduino tutorials. So let's learn Arduino programming. Before learning Arduino programming, you need to download a software called Arduino IDE. So what is Arduino IDE? What do you mean by IDE? So IDE is a integrated development environment. So what is integrated development environment? So integrated development environment means it is a place or a platform or an environment where you can write your code, compile it, and you can upload it to different development boards like Arduino, ESP, etc. So let's download the software. So first of all, we need to open Chrome browser, or any other browser, and then you can search Arduino IDE. Then you will have something like this. Arduino.cc is a website, and you can click this thing. You will get some interface like this, so yeah, like if you don't get it, usually you get it something like this, but you can just click software, and here you have download options, and here Win 7 and newer, that means from Windows 7 to other newer versions like Windows 10, Windows 8 and etc. Mine is basically Windows 10, so I am selecting this one, and this is if you want to download it as a zip file, you can select this, and here it is for application, better you can go with this one only, and this is for Linux, and even you have it for Mac OS and 10.10 to newer versions. Let's select this thing. So when you select, you will get an interface something like this. If you want to pay them like as a fund or something like that, you can just click it and you can pay it, or else if you don't want to contribute or something like that, you can just download it. When you click it, within several seconds it will start downloading. Here in downloads, I have downloaded the software. Here you need to right click, and here you will have open option. It will ask permission to do changes to your device. You can click yes. So here a dialog box appears for license agreement. So here it is not required to read. If you want, you can read it. You need to click I agree, then you need to click next, and you need to check where do you want to put your software. So I don't want to put it right here, so I will click browse. So I will put it somewhere right in local disk D. Local disk D. And yeah, local disk D I want to put it. I will click D Arduino. So I will click install. It will be sooner. Wow. Hope it is installed. So let's click this shortcut. So you'll get something like this, allow access. In your Windows Defender will be blocking some features. You need to give allow access. Click allow access. So these are my old programs, so I will teach you from the basic. So basically you will get something like this when you click new. So in the next video we are learning some basic digital electronics required for Arduino, and we are also interfacing different LEDs and push buttons. Also we are learning some basic digital functions like digital read and digital write, and we are doing some small assignments. I hope you all have installed the Arduino IDE software. So if you face any sort of problem, you can comment me down. I will help you resolve it. So make sure that you subscribe to our channel, click the bell icon, like the videos we upload, share the videos, and stay home, stay safe. We will rock with another exciting video. So till then, bye bye.